Today, I'm going to walk you through a skill you'll use again and again in your Photoshop projects. How to insert an image seamlessly into another image. Whether you're creating a digital collage, designing fun social media graphics, or just want to blend two photos together for a unique effect, this step-by-step tutorial will have you importing images like a pro by the end of the video. Let's get started. First off, open up Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop, you'll notice it can feel a little overwhelming at first. But don't worry, we'll keep things simple as we go along. Once Photoshop is open, locate and open the image you want to use as your main canvas. This is the image that you'll be inserting another photo into. It could be a painting, a landscape, or any picture where you want to add that extra touch. Now, before we go any further, it's always a good idea to make a duplicate of your original image. Why? Because working on a duplicate lets you experiment freely without risking your original file. Just right-click the layer and choose Duplicate Layer, or use the shortcut, and you're set. Think of this like making a copy of an important document before you start highlighting or annotating it. It just keeps everything safe. With your duplicate in place, we're ready to bring in our second image, the one you want to insert. Add a new layer first. This is essentially giving your new image a clean workspace to land on, rather than dumping it directly onto your main picture. Layers are one of the keys to Photoshop, and thinking of them like clear sheets stacked on top of each other can help. You can work on one without affecting the others. Now, import the image you want to insert. Drag it in or go to File, and select Open to bring the image into Photoshop. Position it so it's easy to work with. Next, select the new image. Just click the layer and copy it. You can hit Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Copying essentially places the image onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need. Then, it's time to head back to your main image, the duplicate you created earlier. This is where the magic happens. We want to make sure the image goes precisely where we want it. So grab the Magic Wand tool from your toolbar. The Magic Wand lets you easily select an area of similar colors or tones. For this tutorial, let's say you're inserting a photo into a specific spot on a painting, like a blank canvas. Click on that space with the Magic Wand. If the area doesn't select cleanly, try adjusting the tolerance at the top. Sometimes more or less sensitivity can help you get a cleaner edge. Once you've selected the area, go up to Edit. Don't just hit Paste. Since we want the image to tuck neatly inside our selection, hover over Special Paste and choose Paste Into. What this does is super cool. Photoshop places your secondary image directly inside the area you selected, almost like it's filling a picture frame. You'll see the new image masked within the space. And best of all, you can move it around, resize it, or even adjust its edges without affecting anything else. Take your time here, experiment, nudge the image into place, and let the creative possibilities inspire you. And that's it. Now you know how to insert an image into another image in Photoshop, and you can use this technique for all sorts of creative projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, and if you have any questions or run into something tricky, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Photoshop tutorials like this one. Happy editing!